Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Okay, right, I'm on with you today to do sneaky peek. So what I thought I'd do is just make two cards, and the sneaky peek is for Dawn's new release from ShinySilverTreasures, and it's called Flutterby Treasures. Absolutely brilliant name. I absolutely love it. As you know, I am crazy about butterflies, so this is, this is for me. This is made for me. So yeah, two simple cards. I've already got my bits ready as usual. Let me just move some things out of the way because it's a bit cramped. Yeah, so here we go. Move these out of the way. Bits of card that I will keep and use on something else. I'm just chucking everything all over. Just leave them alone, Claire. So what have I used? So I'm using these stickers. So you get these stickers in, and all I've done is I've backed them on some card that you do get in the kit as well. So it is a card kit. I don't know if I've mentioned that. I'm talking really fast because I'm so excited. You get some handmade flowers, which I am using, and some flat back like gemmies and pearls. So this one. So it's really beautiful papers in there as well. Nice pinks and purples. So yeah, so like I said, I've got my bits ready. So I'm using, it's the cards that you get in the card kit are these cards that Dawn always uses on her how many cards videos that she does. I think it's 4x6, so I'm using that. So I've cut everything down to size. I hope you can see everything. So yeah, lovely sneak peeks. I wonder what everybody else has done. I will link all the design team members in the description box below, along with Dawn's Etsy, which this kit will be available on from the 1st of January 2023. Wow. So yeah, but everything, all the information will be in the description box below, so please check that out. So we're just going to get to sticking. Right, I'm going to try and straighten it. Right, that's the best I can do. Yep. So we have that, and this, absolutely gorgeous. And the papers that you do get in are all double-sided, but this, I wanted to use this one. Absolutely beautiful girl on there. So gorgeous on the other side as well. Stick this bit down, like so. I've got other projects in mind to use this card kit with, not necessarily to make cards. I mean, you can do what you want with it, really. It's once you buy it, it's yours. You don't have to make cards with it. Everything is in there to make cards with it. But yeah, not necessary. So I have fussy cut one of the little girls out of the leftover pieces that I had, and I'm gonna put her up on some dimension. I've got some little chipboard pieces here that I could use. Yeah, why not? Just cut that end off there and stick this down. So how is everybody? Did you enjoy your Christmas? At the time doing this, it's not actually Christmas Day. So I'm really early this time doing this, which I'm very pleased of, because then, I'm up to date with everything. I say I'm up to date with everything. I bet you when I check my book, I'm not actually up to date with anything. But he's hoping. So I'm just going to cut that off there. And cut that straight down there. And put it on this bit here. Okay. just down to the side. And I want a little tiny bit on her leg there. I don't know how well this is going to stand up to me cutting it down any smaller than what it already is. Let's try it. I only want a little bit. That should do it. Tiny, tiny little bit. Oh. Okay, should get my tweezers. Oh, it's still too big, but anyway, I will. Sorry if my head gets in the way. I'll just snip that bit off there. Okay, oh no, it's alright actually. You can't see any of it. Yeah, can't see any of it. Nope. So she's up on Dimension. So you also get sentiments in this pack. Gorgeous they are as well. Beautiful fonts. So I've just got a happy birthday, and both cards will be happy birthday. So I'm thinking I'm gonna stick that down here, like so. Yes, I am. I'm not gonna put it up on Dimension because my little girl's up on Dimension. So here we go. And as you can see, there's butterflies on here as well. So yeah, love it. Absolutely love it. Okay, and then she is going to sit on there like that. I think I need to position her a little bit better than that. So she's just going to sit on the edge like that. Gorgeous. Dropping things, glue everywhere now. Right, let's try and position her where she looks like she's sitting on the edge of that, with her legs dangling over, like so. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on this bit here and stick it all the way down, like so. A bit too much glue there, but let's just stick that down onto there. So it sort of looks like it's flowing, and it's, yeah, it's not the same height as her. But there we go. There is my girl. Oh, she looks so beautiful. And then I have got this massive butterfly. So, yeah, I'm just going to bend it up and stick just a little bit of glue on there and stick that there. Because why not? Stick that there. And I'm going to use, actually going to use the gemmies on this one. Let's hold it there for a minute so I know it's stuck, which it is. So let's try not to get these all over the place. If I could, hold it. And just a little bit out. So they all stick to the bit of sellotape at the top. Oh, come on. Oh, they're all stuck now. That was not good. Oh, I'm getting them everywhere. Ah. They enjoy running away from me, these beads. I'm always chasing them around the room. Beads and gems and, yeah. Right, okay, I'll leave that as it is. So, let's wipe the glue off there so I don't get glue everywhere. I think she needs a diamond in her hair. So a little bit of glue there. Yeah, one here. Oh, just put my freaking little finger in it. One there, one there, one there. Yeah. There we go. I need my gem tool for this because it's so small. Okay, is this going to work? Let's see. One there. one there. They're all turned upside down. One other. One there. Do you know, I'm thinking a pearl for a hair. Yeah, I think a pearl would be quite nice. There we go. Oh, that's beautiful. I love how that has turned out. So there is my first card made with the Flutterby Treasures card kit. Absolutely beautiful. I love it. Right, let's get the second card. So here we are. So basically the same thing, but with flowers. Yeah, and another butterfly. Look how beautiful the butterfly is. Beautiful. Okay, so same size card. And you do get, I think it's 5 in the pack. Obviously, if you're going to make more cards, you can make your own card bases, can't you? So yeah, sticker this down like that, and then this one, interlocking circles, beautiful, and then flowers on this side. And I don't want it upside down. No, I don't. Here we go. Have I asked how everybody's doing yet? I can't remember if I did. Yeah, I did, didn't I? Because I asked you how your Christmas was. Yeah, I did. Hey, I don't know. Memory like a sieve, full of holes. Okay, so we have that. Looks nice, isn't it? And then I have the same happy birthday, but I'm just going to change it over a little bit. So I'm just going to go off center, and then I've got these gorgeous flowers. It needs to go up a bit, I think. I've got these gorgeous handmade flowers. Absolutely beautiful. Some of them have brads in, some of them don't. So I think that flower is going to go down there. That flower there. And look at that. Beautiful. And that flower about there. And then I have got butterfly. I did do 3 butterflies, but I just wasn't sure if I was going to use all 3. Let's have a look, see what they look like on here. I think it might be a bit cramped for 3 because they're so big. Yeah, I think I'm just going to use the 1. Just looks a bit cramped, so I'm just going to shape my butterfly slightly. Curl the wings. There we go. And that is going to sit there. Yeah, that's how I'm doing it. So stick this down first. So nothing on dimension on this, because the flowers themselves have dimension. So right, it was up and off to the side a little bit, wasn't it? I don't think it was that far up though. About there. Looks straight to me. Right, plenty of glue, and I'm just sticking. I'm not going to give them any like fluff them up or anything. Whoever I send this card to, I'll do it when I send it. Okay, and then this gorgeous one. Plenty of glue because it has got a brad on, so it's probably too much glue. That one there, and then this one here. Yeah. Oh, that is beautiful. I love it. I was just going to say I'm going to give every centre of these flowers a pearl, but I think that is going overboard. Stick down then. Right, it will stick. And the same with this one. Let me just bend that up a little bit. So this one just there. Let's hold that down. I need to decide, pearls or gems? Pearls or gems? Let's have a look, see. Pick it up then. Pick it up, put it the right way. Nope, I can't put it the right way. Can't put it the right way at all. There we go. I think pearls actually. Yeah, so pearls it is. So let's stick this down the same, just down the middle. And stick it there. And the knack to getting, because these are, you know, the hard plastic stickers. So the knack to getting the backs off, I've found, is to use an awl and just stab it and, you know, scrape it back. And it takes the backing off quite easy. Make sure it's the backing side and not the sticker side, because you'll ruin your sticker. I've done that a few times. And yeah, it just makes it so much easier getting the backs off the stickers. I'm terrible at getting backs off stickers. Right, so I'm just gonna put a few pearls on. Yeah, I think that'll do actually. Yeah, that will do. So one there, one there, one. Oh, where are you going? Trying to escape. One there, and my last one just down at the bottom. And there we go. Oh, I love how, you know, delicate and pretty they can go back in the packet. Like little, not little, delicate and, you know, pretty they are. Girly, girly. Absolutely beautiful. I love them. Oh, I'm so glad you did butterflies. So yeah, they're my two gorgeous birthday cards. I love them. I really, really do. This little girl is just perfect, isn't she? Yes, she is. So yeah, I'm leaving it there. There are my first two cards made with Flutterby Treasures. That is available from the 1st of January 2023. So I will be back with another sneak peek, I think. I'm sure I am back with another sneak peek. And I found this. It's just packaging from something my daughter got, and she thought I would like it. So yeah. So there is other bits in the kit. And I'm thinking I'm going to do a little booklet, a butterfly booklet. I'm not sure. It could be, I could make it into a magnet. It could be paperclip. I've not decided yet. But yeah, something will come. I mean, I've got ideas and things like that. But yeah, I don't know if it's going to be for my sneak peek. I'm not sure. I might do something else. You never know. Okay, so yeah, stop waffling. Everything will be in the description box below, so please check it out. And I'm going to leave it there. I'm going to wish you well. And go. So if you enjoyed watching this video, I hope you did. Please give me a big thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye for now.